Hi Zika partners! We're here today sa isa sa mga paboritong tambayan for comfort Filipino food with a twist. Welcome to Boro! And the best part is, Zika partner din sila, proudly supported by Zenith Capital. Kaya kung gutom ka for growth, alam mo na. Pero for today, gutom tayo for food. Kaya tara, mukbang tayo! Of course, I won't be alone with today's mukbang video. Here with me today is another mukbanger. Let's welcome Miss Riza Templo Nuevo. Hi! Sumasabog yung flavor sa mouth, diba? Sarap. Very healthy. Parang feeling ko cleansed ang aking body after.
That's true. Panalo.
Panyo.
Sobrang hirap din to pick a favorite kasi parang iba-iba sila tapos lahat masasarap talaga. Oh my God, yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna cry anytime.
Sobrang sarap, guys.
Sir Jones, ano yung story behind po?
Nag-start po siya sa small lang. Hanggang sa lumaki po yung serving natin. Magbigay ng comfort food. And then, for simple celebration, pwede po dito mag-gatherings. Hanggang sa dumami po yung mga guest celebrities na pupunta kay Boro.
So ano pala ang nag-inspire sa Filipino international cuisine na fusion?
It's not a totally fusion cuisine, ma'am. International food lang po siya. Satanis step fusion po.
So, ilan pa yung pwedeng puntahang branches ni Boro? Or may branches ba si Boro?
As of now, meron na po tayong branches sa Malate, Manila. Ang name niya po is The Barn by Boro.
From great stories to great food, thank you so much, Boro, for having us. And for all entrepreneurs out there, kung may Boro dreams kayo, kami nang bahala sa puhunan nyo. This has been Zenith Capital Mukbang!
Did you guys hear that?
Sarap.